Day 29. Montreal to Quebec City. I woke up with a sense of excitement as I knew I was heading to my favorite city in all of Canada. But there was also a sense of sadness as I was saying goodbye, at least for now, to the most vibrant city I've visited on my trip so far. Onward to Quebec City, but before I left Montreal, I had to visit the famous Parc du Mont Royal. After my daily routine of having breakfast, going to the gym, and having lunch, I drove down to Metropolitan Autoroute for the last time, heading towards Parc du Mont Royal. Driving up the steep Voie Camillien Houde leading to the top, I was surrounded by nature on all sides. Finding a place to park, I ventured onto the Olmstead Trail, following a path and enjoying the scenery. After a while, I discovered myself descending down towards the city, so I backtracked towards the top. Along the way, I ran into some friendly people who spoke excellent English who appeared to be lost looking for the Kondiaronk Belvedere. Unfortunately, I was unable to help them, but I set to find it myself. I soon found the right path that led to the beautiful lookout, facing southeast into the city of Montreal and the St. Lawrence River beyond. Here it was quite busy with lots of people enjoying the views of downtown, Griffintown, Saint Lambert in the distance. I stood by the ledge, taking in the sights of this incredible city, the memories I've created here, and the characters I ran into, the adventures and experiences I had. Montreal is truly an unforgettable city. Again, the feeling of sadness when saying goodbye set in, and I knew it was time to move on. I walked back to my beast, prepared myself for a short journey, and bid farewell to Montreal. I drove down Avenue Papineau for the last time, and across the Jacques Cartier Bridge. I merged onto Trans-Canada Highway number 1, leading to my favorite city in all of Canada, Quebec City. The sadness of leaving Montreal remained in my thoughts for a while, up until I arrived just outside of Quebec City. Crossing the Pierre Laporte Bridge and seeing Quebec City in the distance with all of its beauty brought back my excitement. The sun had begun to set and I arrived in my favorite city in all of Canada, a city that I have not been to for nearly 40 years, a city that I would create fond memories of. It was a mix of sadness and excitement here in the beautiful province of Quebec, where I said bonne journée to Montreal and bonjour to Quebec City. I found myself a decent place for car camping and settled in for the night. As I closed my eyes, I thought of what new adventures I would have in my favorite city in Canada.
Subscribe to the Travel Experience, Expérience de Voyage channel. Tap the bell and join the conversation on the comment section below.